Good evening, friend.
Bisa.
Yeah, good evening, Mr. Randy.
Yeah, I'm sorry for Mr. Mira and Mr. Mira,
Oh
Miss
iya,
Mira
Miss, mana ditahu
and
suara
Miss
aja.
Aisyah.
Jangan gitu anak. Kita ganti. Terus tim kalian lagi kan yang pakainya. Saya turun ke atas.
Oke, guys, we will the continue for the explanation from Mr. Malvin, please. Oke, lanjut, Vin.
Cek.
Yes, I can hear
Hello.
you.
Okay.
Next, Malvin.
Okay, so guys, I'm sorry for the trouble. I have problem for the using of the Oculus device because it is must to stay on the website Mozilla Hub. We cannot quit from the Mozilla Hub website. Okay. Okay. For the metaverse, we can visit the metaverse with the website. The example of website is Mozilla Hub, or Spatial, or VRChat, and any else. Okay, so in this session, I will talk about the room of the metaverse. The room of the metaverse we can build with the Mozilla Hub website, or we can build with some application which is the have the feature about the to make some architectural building. Example, the application is Blender or SketchUp. We can use them for make some building. Okay. The second one, I will talk about the Mozilla Hubs. The Mozilla Hubs have a feature, have a two menus feature. The first one is Spoke. Spoke is some menus in the website Mozilla Hubs who can make uh, metaverse room. We can make a metaverse room in the Spoke menu in the Spoke. We separate a feature by the Spoke. In the Spoke, like the main elements, like the properties, we can make some building for the metaverse. Okay. Next, I will talk about this Mozilla Hubs. These Mozilla Hubs have some feature, and it is we can see that in the bottom bar. In the bottom bar, it is have a voice, share, have a place, have a react, and another. Okay, for place, we can know that in uh, if we click that the place, we separate that it also have a pen, camera, GIF, 3D model, avatar, and also scene and upload. In this Mozilla Apps, we can use this feature, and we can while when the Mozilla Hubs, when we visit the other room metaverse or our room.
Hilang nih, Win. Sebentar, Nisa tunggu sini ya. Kayaknya Mbak Aisyah gabung. OTW. Halo Mbak, halo Mbak. Good evening, Mbak Aisyah. Hello, Mbak. Can you hear me?
Good evening.
Okay, can you hear me? I am Mr. Andi. Please follow me. Hello, here. Mbaknya ini pakai HP apa pakai laptop, Mbak?
Pakai laptop, cuman agak lupa.
Oh ya, nggak apa-apa. Jadi kalau mau ngarahkan itu pakai huruf ASWD. Apa maju mundurnya, kanan kirinya pakai ASWD. Ini ngarahkannya pakai kursor mouse-nya itu pakai yang sebelah klik kiri. Oke, Nisra, jadi ini Mbak Aisyah. She is from the University of Unpad, Universitas Pajajaran. Malvin,
Hai.
Malvin, she is
Sorry, guys.
Miss Aisyah. Malvin,
Okay.
wait, Malvin, she is Miss Aisyah. She is from University
Dia orang
Pajajaran. Okay, Malvin, maybe you continue from the explanation.
Oke. Sorry guys, tadi kelempar terus ya gara-gara
For the
sinyal di
Nisra,
sini.
please you agak majuan. Nisra agak majuan, aku
Oke.
ngerekordnya biar mudah. Nisra agak majuan, Nisra.
Wait a minute. Oke, wait a minute.
Okay, next. Continue, Malvin.
Oke. Alright. I will continue the presentation. So, the metaverse allow you to do all things like go to the virtual concert, to the travel online, to create a few artwork and try to on the digital clothes to buy. Okay. So in this metaverse, we can do anything, anything to do. All thing we can try look like it is like in the real life. We can go to the school, we can go to the travel online, we can buy some clothes in the shop virtual shop. Okay. Also, metaverse can be a game changer for the work from the home shift system or the work from home in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic. Facebook, it is from the Facebook, it is also launch meeting software for its company called Horizon Workrooms, and it is used with the Oculus VR or Oculus Quest 2. Okay. We have some questions. It is a metaverse just for Facebook or just for the Mark Zuckerberg? Okay, we have to learn about the metaverse. Some big tech companies like Microsoft and chipmaker and Nvidia have talked about the metaverse. So metaverse is not just a project from Facebook. Nvidia president Ricard said that there is many companies building virtual worlds and environments in the metaverse, and there are companies doing things on the World Wide Web. So if you want to try metaverse, you have not to be a Facebook employee. It is a metaverse for public persons, for the public people. Maybe you will wonder, the metaverse will eventually replace the internet? Are Facebook, Microsoft, Disney trying to offer the internet beyond the metaverse? You have you can meeting with the person, meeting with family, meeting with friends. If you have international friends, if you just have example, if you have American friends or if you have Singapore friends, you can meeting in this metaverse for the conversation or for the meeting biasa, okay, like that. So the metaverse, the things the is important in the metaphor is it is horizon first. The first is horizon. Why? Why the horizon it is the most important for the metaverse? Because without the horizon we cannot visit the metaverse. We cannot join in the metaverse because the horizon self, it is the building in the metaverse, the horizon. If the metaverse have not have a building, the metaverse have not I think we can visit the metaverse. We must have the horizon. And the second one we also you must have avatar in this meeting. We use the avatar. It is the important things we must have in the metaverse for joining in the metaverse. Okay, Mr. Andy, I think that's enough from me. Uh, I really apologize for the problem in my device. Okay, Mr. Andy, saya kembalikan ke Mr. Andy. Okay, I think I learned the metaverse. I studied the metaverse for about two months or so. In the May in the May month, I learned first, and yeah, also I wait. Um, I just learned from the my friends. My friends teach me about the metaverse. The first one is uh in the May month, and yeah, I think I feel that I have not or I belum menguasai sepenuhnya. I have not the mastered it perfectly. I have not mastering the metaverse perfectly. I have to try learn about metaverse. I have to just learn more about the metaverse. I think so. It is my answers, Mr. Andy. Jadi saya belajar di sekitar 2 bulanan. Seperti itu.
Iya, bertanya apa? I will ask question to Mr. Malvin.
Oh ya.
Which application do you think is the most difficult to learn in the metaverse? Aplikasi menurut kamu yang paling susah untuk dipelajarin di metaverse?
Alright. Okay. I think the for the beginners learning in the metaverse, we for starters will learn with the Mozilla Hub website because it is simply website to learn about metaverse. It is yeah, it is simply for the learn of the metaverse. You have to try the Mozilla Hubs, the first one. The most difficult application or website probably I think it is Mona website because it is my first time to learning about the metaverse at Mona. Mona it's website like Mozilla Hubs like Spatial. uh, the most difficult atau aplikasi yang susah itu atau website yang susah itu Mona, karena saya baru mempelajari Mona websitenya, dan ya, yeah, it is difficult and easy, or bisa dibilang susah mudah susah, like that. Okay, I think like that, Mrs. Aisyah. Mitra. Sorry. I think like that. Nisra Turami. Oh yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Martin.
Last time. Okay. I will share a little bit with you guys. In the afternoon last time, I have tried the Spatial with the Oculus. In the Spatial, I have tried talking and communicate with some people. the people is come from the Dubai. I try communicate with this person, and that is my first time. That is my yeah.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Andi. Hello, everyone. Good night. Oh, mana?
Kita harus ngadep depan.
Oh, oke, naam.
Serasa presentasi ya Bunda.
Oke, lagi jeder nih. Okay, this time I will discuss the introduction of the metaverse. Get to know the metaverse. The first person of the famously coined the term metaverse was Neil Stephenson. The mention the term in the 1992 novel Soulcast. The term metaverse refers to 3D virtual world inhabited by avatar of real people. This term does not have universal accepted definition. Think of the metaverse as the internet rendered in 3D. Zuckerberg described the metaverse as a virtual environment you can enter instead of the just looking at the same screen. Inside this alien world of internet virtual community, people can work, meet, and play using virtual reality headset, augmented reality glasses, smartphone apps, and other devices. Facebook's simple description of the metaverse is a set of virtual space where one can chat and explore with the internet user we are not in the same physical space the person thing do in the metaverse allow you to do things like to do virtual connects, travel online, create or view at work, and try or digital code to buy. Metaverse can be game changer for the work from home, shift system of work from home, can see clouds in the video call box, search in video conferencing application, and employees can join together in virtual office. According to Zuckerberg, a lot metaverse experience will around to create the ability to teleport from the experience to another. The confusion must be wide to connect the online platform. Richard explained the metaverse is very important to build experience so that users can be teleport to different work from one company or another. In the same way, metaverse will allow internet user to move from one web page together. HM, the video game company behind the popular video game Epic Games, in also buying trail and raises 1 billion from investor to help with long-term plans to build the metaverse. Another big player in is the game platform Roblox, where their platform has online execution of the metaverse. As planned, where people can come together in 3D experience to work, like wait.
Kenapa?
Wait. Tahan napas dulu. Anu, Astagfirullahaladzim. Jauh kali aku.
Tahu ya aku dari tadi.
Another big player in the game platform Roblox, where their platform has online execution of metaverse, a space where people can come 3D experience to work, play, socialize, and create. The Facebook party stated the metaverse is not single product. They can only be built on company. Rather, the metaverse is just like internet. Okay. I'm sorry.
Of the metaverse.
Another big player is the gaming platform Roblox, where their platform has outline execution of metaverse as place where people can come together in the 3D experience to work, play, socialize, and create. The Facebook party stated the metaverse is not single product and then can only be created by one company. Rather, the metaverse is just like the internet. Engels and water metaverse Facebook or not, the metaverse exists. Okay, thank you, Mr.
Thank you for your
Andi.
attention.
Yeah, metaverse benefit in the field and learning field marketing. Metaverse comes from the word meta, which means beyond, and verse means nature universe. So if put together, the metaverse means beyond nature. Metaverse is a technology augmented reality that allows individuals to interact with individuals other virtually. Metaverse is often interpreted as a simulation real world of humans implemented in virtual world on the internet. What can you do in the metaverse? In metaverse, user can do any activities in virtual from such as gather or hold a meeting, work, play, hold various events, attend concert, shop online to buy a digital property. Metaverse also has a relationship with crypto assets. Crypto assets that work as a means of payment for buying and selling in metaverse. Up to now, there are multiple crypto assets already linked with a metaverse like Decentraland. Opportunity investment digital. Mungkin dilanjut sedikit lagi. Okay. Opportunity investment digital. Metaverse also opens property investment opportunities, enabling digital user and buy virtual land in the metaverse. Even though fate in the future still not predictable, however, metaverse itself has attracted many investors. Okay, maybe that's enough from me, and thank you.
Okay, see you. Bye-bye. Good
Jangan
night.
lupa kita lihat dulu.
Ngapain?